How to enable or disable Smart Invert on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Display and Text Size. After that, scroll down, then tap on Smart Invert. And that's it. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Smart Invert. Now, so if Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display, except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.